I am at the Coonoor or Nilgiri Eco Park, which the Hinduja Foundation is doing up along with E.F.I and the Madras Regimental Center. It's amazing how the transformation is taking place. Right now, the few milestones that have been completed are the main embankment, which has the walkway of approximately 1.6 kilometers. The other thing is that behind me, you have a second lake, extension of our original small lake. This was meant to be 2 acres. It's already hitting 3.16, and potentially some of that black silt will be removed and there'll be a much larger water body here. So between this water body, the water body further downstream, and the additional small water body, which is more like a pit to kind of sediment the sewage flow that is coming up from the households which are on the embankment there. Then there are multiple nesting islands that we've created. Some can be accessed for people to walk and go and sit under those trees, but the others we have kept completely devoid of access, so that the birds and the trees and the grass grows unimpeded, and we have eventually a haven for basically the avian species. Once this project is done, this is going to be an incredible asset in the heart of Coonoor, belonging to the army and to the citizens of the Nilgiris and Coonoor. This will be a great place to come, refresh, be part of nature, and most importantly, this will be a water soak for this entire area. The water used to just drain away because there was no work done here to hold back some of it. To create a lake system along with the marshy water capacities would enable all the aquifers around this area for a few kilometers to be refreshed, to be rejuvenated. And many thanks to E.F.I for partnering with us on this, and certainly to the army for being an integral part of this project with us. Jai Hind.